Hello guys, welcome to the Investing Tech. Today I'll be showing you guys how to make a trick. Yes, the trick is this: you're going to hide your desktop icons, your desktop apps from people. If you like me and you like your privacy and you don't like passwording your system always, this is a very quick tip to do. Now all you need is your laptop to do this. Now the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to make a screenshot of my desktop apps. So this is my desktop app now. So let me screenshot it. So all I need to do to screenshot it, you need to type window plus print screen. I'm going to write it on the screen so you can see it. Then I've made a screenshot. You can see that blinked just now. Let me show you the screenshot. So I'm going to, you can see the screenshot there. So let me just show you where it is. You go to pictures. If you're using Windows 10 or 11, you go to screenshot. You see screenshot there. This is my last screenshot. So you can see, if you look at the time, it's almost the same thing here. So this is the last screenshot. Now, what I'm going to do is, I'm going to hide my screen. Then I'm going to use it as my screen wallpaper. Let me hide my screen. All these icons, you can see, they're selectable. You can select them. So I'll just come here, right click on your screen, click on view, click on show desktop. You just click on it, unmark it, then all my desktop icons are gone. So this is where the trick comes in. You come here, the screenshot you made, then you come here, you see something, yeah, look at it, set as desktop background. Then I'm going to make it my desktop background, then I'm going to minimize. So you can see, if they try to click it, it will not be clickable. They see the icon there, but they can't click it. So that is the idea. They can't select it. I'm trying to select, it's not working because our desktop icons are hidden. So follow me for more interesting videos like this, for tips and tricks.